Hi, I'm JP Wood, and today we're going to go over a guided meditation that includes even count breathing and the Hong-Sau technique. So if you haven't checked out any of the videos I've done that help set up the basics, such as proper posture and the even count breathing and the Hong-Sau technique, I strongly recommend checking those out first. Those go over the techniques in more detail. But if you're ready to go for it, for the guided meditation, then let's dig right in. So we'll start with just proper posture. Check your posture. Make sure you're upright with the natural curve of your spine and your gaze uplifted gently at the point between the eyebrows without strain. This should be very natural. Shoulders slightly back. Chin parallel to the floor. We could start just by thanking ourselves for taking the time to do this guided meditation. Maybe thinking of a couple of other things we might be grateful for, or setting an intention for this meditation, whatever feels good for you. And then we'll do 3 rounds of tensing and relaxing so that we can forget our physical bodies and go within. Tensing and relaxing fully. Let's do a few rounds of even count breathing together to a count of 4. We're going to inhale, hold, and exhale at the count of 4 through our nostrils. Together, inhale, 2, 3, 4. Hold, 2, 3, 4. Exhale, 2, 3, 4. Inhale, 2, 3, 4. Hold, 2, 3, 4. Exhale, 2, 3, 4. Let's do a few more rounds of even count breathing, either at the 4 count or whatever count works for your lung capacity. This is all through the nostrils. Inhale, hold, exhale for the same count at your own pace. When you finish that round of even count breathing, release that technique. No more controlling the breath, just let it flow naturally. In and out through your nose. Just watch the breath. Become aware of the breathing that's coming naturally. And when you're ready, let's add the Hong-Sau mantra. Mentally say Hong on the inhale and Sa on the exhale. Just as you breathe naturally. Hong, Sa. Enjoy any gaps in breathlessness and thoughtlessness that may come. And if thoughts arise, don't judge yourself. Just go back to the Hong-Sau technique. Remember to keep your posture erect and your eyes gently gazed, uplifted at the point between your eyebrows. As you just practice the Hong-Sau mantra connected to your natural breathing. Remember, if thoughts come up, don't judge yourself. Just go back to mentally chanting Hong-Sau with each breath in and out. Hong on the inhale, Sa on the exhale. let's release the Hong-Sau technique with 3 exhales through the mouth. And then we'll just enjoy the fruits of our meditation. Enjoy that silence that cultivates with going within. If you need any guidance on anything in your life, now might be the time to ask for that higher self to guide you. If you're tuned in and receptive to receiving. Otherwise, you can just enjoy the expansive phase of this meditation. Sitting in the silence. When you're ready, you can come back, opening your eyes. Sometimes at the end of my meditations, I like to send positive energy or healing energy to family, friends, or anybody I know in need. Hopefully you start to feel that expansive phase of the meditations where you do have more moments of peace, of breathlessness, of thoughtlessness, and when you get there, again, as I kind of mentioned it, you can ask for guidance from your higher self or send out good energy to other people or just simply enjoy those moments. Because again, even if you can get 5, 10, 30 seconds without thought, it's really such a powerful thing to give yourself that space to go within and forget about the outside world, even just for a few moments. And so I hope that this guided meditation could get you there. And if not, don't feel frustrated. Again, this isn't just a quick fix. This is a lifestyle. The more you do it, the deeper you'll be able to go, and you'll see the results, and that expansive phase will be experienced so much more. So I hope you stick with it. If you have any questions, drop me a comment. I'll try to follow up. Or if you wanted to go on to the next video, there's more guided meditations and affirmations to explore. I strongly recommend developing a habit with this. Like I said, doing one video a day, or if you can do it twice a day, even better. I really hope that you start to feel the peace that I do when I do these meditations. Have a great day.